Hi, today in front of me OPPO Reno 8T and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first let's open the settings app and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see silent mode switcher. Just to activate the silent mode we should tap on the switcher. Now our ringtones and notifications, they are muted, so this means that the silent mode is activated. If you wanna turn off this option, just click on the silent mode switcher once again and that's it. Also we can just make it by another way, just by slide to the left side ringtone volume panel. Just after muting the ringtone volume panel, we can see that the silent mode is activated. If you want to turn it off, just unmute ringtone volume panel and that's it. And one more way how we can just do that, open notification panel shortcuts. Here you'll see silent mode switch. Just tap on this icon to activate silent mode, or to turn it off you should click once again on the silent mode icon. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.